Uy, Imi ko.
Mm.
Someone is saying that you look like Shah Rukh Khan daw.
Really? It's a compliment or what? Just fooling me.
Alam nyo, ganito yan. Hindi ko pa kilala yung mga Bollywood na yan. Sana sabi nila sa office, kamukha daw niya si Shah Rukh Khan. Ewan ko may mga mambabasya naman sa amin dyan. Pero talaga.
Just fooling me. That's
Yeah, they're saying that you look like Shah Rukh Khan. Kasi yun nga, kamukha talaga niya, kahawig nga niya. Di ba? Lalo na yung look, show the Shah Rukh Khan look. Like this. Yeah! Yun. Yung nagsabi nito, oo, napansin nyo. Tama. Oh, ang daming basher.
Salamat po.
They will bash you, Amy, because I'm telling that you look like Shah Rukh Khan.
Bash
I'm
me.
not the one who said, ha? Ayan na, nakita naman ninyo.
It's okay. Bash me. And I love you.
Kala nyo maasar nyo yan. Ayan, tinulayan natin, tingnan natin. Dark brown yan, ha? Look here, Amy. Tingnan natin yung magiging resulta. Ako ano yan. Kulay niyan. Dark brown.
Pogi ah.
Ay! Pogi yan. Oh. Hindi yan black ha. Dark brown yan. Kasi bawal magkulay sa Muslim na lalaki ang black color. So that's dark brown. Anan, when you grow up, Anan, you will have this, beard and mustache. Thick one. Same as your dad. Ang hirap maghanap ng dito, barbershop na marunong magganyan. Kaya siya nagsishave. Siya nag-aayos niyan. Ang hirap din maghanap ng shaving cream dito sa Pilipinas. Amy!
Yep.
It's a struggle for us to find this, this shaving cream and all.
But finally we got it. And
Oh, thanks to me.
thanks to you, Zai, for my makeover.
Makeover. I told you. Oh. Feel na feel nung isa, oh. Eh. Arte mo. Oh, ligpit all this. Puro kalat, oh. Ayun yung pangkulay niya ng buko, yun, oh. Galing pa yung India, Yan. Anong pakita mo nga yun?
We open the
Ano
barber's
lang
shop
yan?
We open the barber's
Dali,
shop only now.
makipas. Yan. Ano lang yan? Oh. Hair shampoo. Sandali lang yan. Tapos, nag-gloves lang ako. Pwedeng i-shampoo lang yan. Pwede pala yan sa balbas. Yun.
Toothbrush?
Yeah. Yan, ligpit. Mainitin daw yung ulo. Mainitin ba yung ulo? Imi, oh. Sa'yo. Mainitin daw ulo mo. You're always, Imi, you're, hot-tempered daw.
Not hot-tempered, I'm short-tempered.
Short-tempered. Hindi mo ba ito?
I don't like, things to be long. So short videos, okay. Bye-bye.
Hindi yan mainit ng ulo. He looks snob only but he's good. He's nice. Diba, Imi?
I'm snob, I'm protecting myself.
This is snob.
I'm protecting myself.
Pero hindi. Yung mga hindi nakakakilala sa kanya, akala is nabero siya o pero hindi. Diba, no? You're mabait. You're mabait.
Mabait, if I tell with my own mouth, it doesn't
Yeah.
look good. People should
He's
call you,
mabait.
you're good.
He's mabait.